This is the 2025 Audi RS E-Tron GT, a machine that doesn't whisper electric future, it screams it. Powertrain and performance. Underneath its aggressive body lies a beast. Dual electric motors, one front, one rear, deliver a combined output of 912 horsepower and 999 Nm torque. This isn't just a number. It translates to 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds. That's supercar territory, and it's all electric. Audi's new RS Performance powertrain uses tech straight from their Formula E race cars. With launch control and torque vectoring, the RS E-Tron GT sticks to the road like it's magnetized. Top speed. Electronically limited to 250 km per hour, but it gets there brutally fast. Battery and range. Now packing a 105 kWh battery, the 2025 RS E-Tron GT gets an impressive up to 600 km of range, WLTP. With 800-volt architecture, charging is lightning fast. Using a 320 kW fast charger, you can go from 10% to 80% in 18 minutes. In just 10 minutes, you get 250+ km. That's faster than a coffee break. Chassis and driving dynamics. This RS isn't just fast in a straight line, it carves corners like a razor. Thanks to adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and RS-tuned Quattro all-wheel drive, it's agile and stable at any speed. You also get ceramic brakes for extreme stopping power and a lower center of gravity thanks to the battery placement. Design, exterior. The look? Meaner. Sharper. More aggressive than ever. Front, redesigned LED matrix headlights, blacked-out RS grille, deeper air intakes. Side, wider stance, new aero wheels up to 21 inches. Rear, OLED taillights with animation, sculpted diffuser, RS badging. Every inch screams performance. Aerodynamics aren't just for looks, they reduce drag, increase downforce, and cool the brakes and battery. Interior and technology. Step inside and it's like entering a high-tech cockpit. 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus. 10.1-inch MMI touch display with haptic feedback. RS-specific displays for battery, G-forces, lap timing. Optional Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands. Ambient lighting with 30+ colors, RS seats in Alcantara or leather, carbon fiber everywhere. It's luxurious. It's smart. It's very Audi. Sound experience. Even without a V8, the 2025 RS E-Tron GT has its own voice, thanks to Audi's eSound generator. You get a deep, futuristic growl that gets louder in dynamic mode. It's synthetic, but seriously satisfying. Sustainability. Audi also focused on making this car clean beyond the tailpipe. It uses recycled materials, vegan leather options, and even carbon-neutral production methods. Price and availability. Expected starting price, $160,000, but can go much higher with options. Deliveries start mid-2025, and demand is already exploding. In one line, the 2025 Audi RS E-Tron GT isn't just an electric car. It's Audi's answer to the Tesla Plaid, Porsche Taycan Turbo S, and even internal combustion legends.